Okay, kain tayo ng turkey na adobo. Turkey ito ha, hindi chicken, hindi baboy. Turkey. So, ngayon lang ako makakatikim ng turkey na adobo. Kain tayo guys ng turkey na adobo.
Well, there's this dentist that has like that American Express black card. It's like, you have to spend $10,000 a year. Yeah. It's like the consolation service for the person.
Ayan o, tignan nyo guys. Turkey na adobo. Hindi chicken, hindi adobo yan. So, sa tagal ko ng dito, ngayon lang ako makakatikim ng adobo na turkey. Kasi lagi iba ang luto nila, pero ito
There's like, but there's no rail though, right? I want the triangle.